The cost of discipline is always less than the price of regret. So self-discipline is the biggest investment for success in life. Good morning, children. Children, let's proceed with the explanation of the fifth lesson, that is, I remember, I remember. I Remember is a poem written by Thomas Hood. Before starting the reading and the explanation of the poem, let's talk about Thomas Hood. Thomas Hood was born on 23rd May 1799 and died on 3rd May 1845. He was a British poet and a writer of humorous prose of the early 19th century. He started his career by writing articles for various newspapers and magazines, and later became the editor of a magazine. Hood also started a magazine in his own name, to which he was the sole contributor. Although Hood is remembered for his writings, he was a talented engraver and illustrated several of his own works. So children, let's proceed with the reading of the poem. I remember the house where I was born, the little window where the sun came peeping in at morn. He never came a wink too soon, nor brought too long a day, but now I often wish the night had borne my breath away. I remember the roses red and white, the violets and the lily cups, those flowers made of light. The lilacs were the robin built, and where my brother said, the laburnum on his birthday, the tree is living yet. I remember where I was used to swing and thought the air must rush as fresh to swallows on the wing. My spirit flew in feathers then, that is so heavy now, and summer pools could hardly cool the fever on my brow. I remember the fir trees dark and high. I used to think their slender tops were close against the sky. It was a childish ignorance, but now 'tis the little joy to know that I'm farther off from heaven than when I was a boy. Children, let's proceed with the explanation. The poet Thomas Hood has written this poem trying to capture his childhood. He nostalgically remembers the days when he was a young boy. In the first stanza of the poem, the poet says that he remembers the house where he was born and the bedroom window from where every morning the sun used to come peeping in. The sun was never late even by a second, but yet the day never seemed too long. Today, however, when Thomas Hood is old, he is unhappy and wishes that he had died at that time. In the second stanza of the poem, Thomas Hood talks about all the different flowers that added so much beauty to life, where birds built their nests, and the tree under which he and his brothers celebrated their birthdays. He still remembers that tree which is standing there till now. He remembers the garden in which he used to swing and the air was very fresh. His spirits too were like the swallows, light and carefree, but today his soul is weighed down and heavy, and no cool waters can cool it anymore, as it is hot with tension, anxiety, etc. He also remembers the tall, dark, fair trees in the last stanza of the poem, and how to him as a little boy they seemed to touch the sky. Today, though he is much taller and can see things clearly, he feels he is further away from heaven than when he was a little boy. As a child, he was closer to God than he is today as a man. So, children, that's all for today. Take care and be safe.